In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option illustrating the location with luxuriant growth of lichen on the tree. For this, we are specifying the lichen growth in the pollution-free zone. The lichen, when it is growing as a white color, it is indicating the pollution is zero. Whereas the dark lichen growth is specifying the pollution is huge. Why? Because the dark color lichen takes air contamination and shows the bright color structure unlike the white color structure. The white lichen is specifying the pollution free zone. So we are choosing option D as a correct answer to satisfy the 4-mark demand of this objective question. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? We are giving as a recap to take the NEET notes for future reference. Lichens are very good pollution indicator. They do not grow in the polluted area as a white lichen. They are sensitive to sulfur dioxide pollution. So we are choosing option D as a correct answer, and we are ignoring option A, B and D. Why? Because the A, B and C is not the correct location for the white lichen growth. So we choose an option D to secure 4 mark.